Hi, it's Miss Deb again. I've got another book on the Maine Student Book Award list that I want to talk about a little bit. This one is called The Canyon's Edge. It's by Dusti Bowling. And not only do we have the book, but we also have a playaway. So this is sort of like an audiobook. You can take it with you. You can listen with your headphones. I loved this book. I would characterize it as realistic fiction, but also a great adventure story. The main character, Nora, her mother died a year ago, and on the anniversary of her mother's death, she and her dad decide to take a hike in one of the canyons. They're pretty experienced hikers. They used to hike as a family. So they go and they're going on a hike. They think it will help them both heal. And a flash flood occurs and they are separated. And so throughout the story, she is trying to get back to her father and find her father. And she's also dealing with her grief over her mother's death and the guilt that she feels for still being alive. It's a wonderful book. It's really well written. And I think that you guys would really enjoy reading this book. It's one of my favorites so far that I've read on the list. So if you're interested in this book, come on into the library. You can call us and make an appointment to browse, or you can come and pick it up curbside. Also, it is available on the download library on our website, the Cloud Library, so you can download it onto a device at home and read it or listen to it there. Highly recommended, and I hope you guys come on in and try to read this one. Thanks for listening. Bye.